So the last part of the worksheet, questions 11 through 20, are all the same prompt that you are supposed to convert the degree measure into radian mode and also find the area of the sector. So two separate things. So I'm going to start on number 13 by converting 315 degrees into radian mode, so we can practice with radian mode. So 315 degrees, 1 degree is pi over 180 radians, which is 315 pi 180ths. So then I could reduce my fraction. Let's see, 315 and 180, I can divide by 5, is that right? Yeah, I guess that's my best bet. So that's going to leave me with 36 on the bottom, and when I divide 315 by 5, that's going to be 62 pi over 36. Oh, which reduces again. So I suppose I could have... is that right? 31.
Okay.
Sorry, interruptions. Whoops, that's not 62 pi, that's 63 pi over 36. Which does reduce further because it reduces by 9. That's what I didn't see. So 63 divided by 9 is going to be 7 pi over 4. Perfect. So that's my answer for radian mode. Then we said that the area of the sector, so area of the sector over the area of the circle would equal the angle out of 360. So the angle divided by 360 degrees. So now I'm finding the area of the sector. So I want to find the area of the sector. That's what I'm still trying to get. The area of the circle is going to be pi times the radius squared. So that's 100 pi square yards. And that equals 315 out of 360. Which I know reduces to, what? 315 over 180 was 7/4, so this would be 7/8. So I've got area of the sector equals 100 pi square yards, and that's equal to the ratio of 7 to 8. And then when I times by 100 pi on both sides, I find out that the area of the sector equals 700 pi square yards over 8, which I can then divide by 8. So 700 divided by 8 is what? Well, 100 divided by 8 would be 12 and a half. 12 and a half times 7. So the area of the sector equals so it's going to be divided by 4 on the top and the bottom over 2 pi. 700 divided by 4 is 100 divided by 4 would be 25. 25 times 7 is 175. 175 pi over 2 square yards. And that's your process for 11 through 20.